What is a neutral density filter and why do I need it? A neutral density filter, or ND filter for short, is like a pair of sunglasses for the camera. The ND filter cuts the amount of light neutrally, meaning it will darken all colors equally and not affect the colors in the image. The ND filter can come in all shapes and sizes. Some mount in front of the lens in the specialized holder. Some will screw onto the front of the lens. The JVC 850 CHU has 3 built-in ND filters: a lighter 1/4 ND filter, a middle 1/16 ND filter, and a darker 1/64 ND filter. If your exposure is too bright and you cannot darken the image with the aperture iris anymore, you can add the ND filter. The ND filter is located on the side of the camera with the monitor. It is located to the left of the circular menu pad. Turn the ND filter switch to the 1/4 position. If the image is still too bright and you cannot darken the image anymore with the iris, move the ND filter switch to the 1/16 position. If you still need to darken the image more, move the ND filter switch to the 1/64 position. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at 215-641-6477 or by email at techservices@mc3.edu.